Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, August 24th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about QuickSilver business cards and how you can give away free silver to get more leads and to grow your empire. But before I get started, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I'm super excited, okay? Imagine if you had a business card that gave away free silver to help you grow your business, okay? That's exactly what we have with QuickSilver. We have lots of marketing tools, but check these out. I just got these in the mail. Look at these business cards. Free silver. Simply take a tour of our website. Right? You put your domain name there, silverstackingempire.com. Live the wealthy life. We'll show you how. All right? Folks, do you know how powerful these are? These are conversation starter business cards right here. Okay? Everybody loves free. Everybody loves free. Right? Because there's not much free things in the world anymore, right? So, to have these business cards is a game changer. All right? It doesn't matter if you just market online or if you just market offline. These are a powerful tool to get in people's hands to help you get more leads to help build your empire, right? Because QuickSilver's done it the right way. We have a complete branded marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you. All right, so somebody goes to your capture page, they're gonna watch a really short video, they're gonna see that they can get a free bar of silver. Right, they pay shipping and processing. It's less than $3. It's like $2.74. All right, they get a free silver bar shipped to their door, and they get put into our marketing system that does all the follow-ups on your behalf and does all the selling and telling. It's absolutely genius what they've done. Okay, so by using these business cards, you can hand these out to everywhere you go. If you're in a store, hand them out to people in a store, right? If you're at the bank, hand them out to people at the bank. If you know of places that have billboards like coffee shops where they allow you to post business cards and such, or maybe a co-op or something like that, pin them up on the board, right? If you're at a restaurant and you leave a tip, leave a business card with your tip. Leave them at gas pumps. I mean, there's an endless way to use these business cards to your advantage. All right, so they come in boxes of 200 or 500. I got a box of 500, and everywhere I go, I'm just going to start handing these out. All right, I got a little packet here in my car. I'm just going to hand them out wherever I go. All right, you can even put them in envelopes. Right, look at this, another stack of envelopes ready to go tomorrow. Right, I'll probably do another stack later tonight after the golf tournament. But, I mean, these are awesome. They work because people aren't going to throw this business card away, right? Because there's something free attached to it. So they might not look at the website right away, but they're definitely not going to throw the business card away, right? It might be like the postcards people get and they sit on people's desks for a month or 2 or 3 before they actually take action and look at it. But they're not going to throw this away. And I'm getting messages all the time, people seeing the value of QuickSilver and how powerful this business opportunity is, right? Because like I said in my other videos, not only are you growing your investment portfolio by having physical, tangible assets delivered to your door every single month, but we have the business opportunity side where you can go refer others to this opportunity and make money. It's a complete no-brainer. It's an absolute complete no-brainer, right? You win no matter what. You win regardless of if you refer people to the opportunity or not. But QuickSilver has made it so easy to get people into the opportunity by giving away free silver. It's just a no-brainer to me. Just an absolute no-brainer. So I'm at the soap shop right now. I got a couple things I got to do here this morning, and then I am off to the grocery store, and then I'm going home I'm going to watch the final round of the Tour Championship. For those of you who watch golf, you know what I'm talking about. And then probably tonight I will do, maybe I'll do another stack of envelopes or something. I don't know. But, I mean, I'm just super excited about these cards. Look at that. Look at how nice those cards look. Free silver. You get these into people's hands, you're going to start building your business, right? And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in QuickSilver, simply because it's based on your work ethic. And we all know that most people don't have a very good work ethic when it comes to staying focused and, you know, building their own empires for whatever reason. But these business cards work. I guarantee it. All right. I've had other cards in the past from other opportunities that weren't giving anything away for free. And you always get results. You just have to take action, go out there and drop these off everywhere, right? Give them to everybody, everybody you talk to, right? The majority of Americans have side hustles these days. So why not show them this opportunity, you know? I mean, it's just a no-brainer. I love these cards. Then I have some drop cards coming. I think they're going to be here Tuesday, and I'll do another video about those. And those are just another way to blow up your business. Take your business to the next level, because those they look like $100 bills folded, and you can put those everywhere, right? Everywhere. So, you know, if you've never done offline marketing before, you know, maybe you're just somebody who sticks to marketing online. And if you're part of QuickSilver, and if, you know, get these business cards, because these are game changers right here for everybody. It doesn't matter, even if you're not in QuickSilver, get business cards for your opportunity and go and distribute them. Hand them out to everybody. All right? Hand them out to everybody. Get some drop cards. Put them all over the place. Right? I mean, it just works. I've been doing this long enough to tell you it works. All right? I've used drop cards for many years for other opportunities. Who doesn't want something for free, right? So use cards that work. Start giving away silver. Start getting leads into your marketing system, and start building your empire. All right, and reach out to me if you have any questions about any of this. I'm here to help you out. So if you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, wherever you are, whatever it is you're doing. Check out QuickSilver if you haven't taken the tour yet. At least get your free piece of silver. And you know, if you're interested in starting a home-based business and want to join a fast-growing team and have a sponsor who shows up every day, takes massive action, and stays consistent, and will help you build momentum, which will lead you to become motivated, which will help you build your own empire, then check out silverstackingempire.com. All right? silverstackingempire.com. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.